Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Ranita and I love getting into makeup tutorials, and today we are going to be reviewing the ADEPT Cosmetics Vivette collection. This is a 12-pan palette, 2 beautiful lip glosses, and I am so excited about this collection because honestly when I was watching it I was like, oh my goodness. So I'm really excited about this. So if you would like to support me, I do have a code with ADEPT. You can go ahead and use that, and I'm going to be jumping into the swatches, but before I do, don't forget to hit that subscribe button because then you get to see more reviews, more makeup, and a lot of other stuff on the channel. So let's get into this. Hey everyone, so this is all 12 beautiful shades. You've already seen them and I'm really excited. Now I think that what I'm going to do is probably do like 6 shades on each eye. I'm not going to pressure myself to use every single shade simply because sometimes the look will become, you know, not something that I'm very happy with. So I'm going to try my best and finish all of these shades. Now if I don't, I'll swatch the remaining on the back of my hand so that you can kind of see some extra shifts. But for the most part, yeah, we're going to try and finish all the shades in the palette. Let's do this. Okay, I'm really excited. I'm going to start off with the color Ink. Now Ink looks like a kind of deep color here. It looks kind of like a blackish brown, and I'm going to go in on this side here. The first thing I want to do is get my matte shades. Now this is a beautiful, beautiful color. Love the pigments. Even when I was swatching these, I was so happy with it. ADEPT is very, very good at mattes. You can see how that's looking like, and I'm very happy. Now I have already gone in with my Alter Ego base. So if you have not started using an eyeshadow base, let me try and convince you to start using one, because I absolutely love the way that eyeshadow bases make your makeup stay all day long. They're absolutely superb. The Alter Ego base is probably an exceptional one because when I was in Malaysia, which is very humid, very hot, my makeup was melting off and I was using the NYX glitter glue at that point. I'm now going in with the green shade, but yeah, I was using the NYX glitter glue and I was not getting the results that I liked. Oh wow, look at the screen, this is beautiful. So I was not getting good results from it simply because the sweat, the humidity, whatever it was, my makeup was ending up really, really bad, and I hated that. Like, it really looked like a complete mess when I would come back, you know, like, because I've got hooded eyes, so I have to make sure that, you know, my makeup is not gonna like go away. So everything in my crease was gone. It was a complete mess, but luckily I had my Alter Ego, used that, and you know, I was doing very well after that. You just have to make sure that you apply the makeup onto your eyes before the base actually dries up. So in this case, I've actually used all 3 matte shades from this side. It's really pretty. You've got this beautiful gray. It kind of shows up as a interesting grayish green on my eyes. Very nice though, I don't mind that. So you've got this grayish green, really, really bright apple green, which I absolutely love. It's so freaking gorgeous. I'm really interested to see how this look is going to turn out. And then we're going to go in with some of those beautiful shifty shades, which are obviously going to elevate the entire look. I absolutely love the way that makeup works. Okay, so let's get this done. Yeah, this is absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to line my eyes probably with the black shade over there, and on this side, now let's just go in with the matte shades. Now there's a blue, there's a really, really bright pink, which looks so fun. It's kind of like an electric color, and then we've got another pink. So I'm going to start with the blues at the ends of my eyes, because that kind of just makes the most sense to me. Right, so let's get this here. This is Barnaby Blue. Very pretty. I really love ADEPT's matte formula. I cannot get enough of that. Every single time I try their palettes, it's just so freaking good on like deeper skin tones. I mean, it's just beautiful, you know? And it's so lovely to see this work the way it is, because I'm not even tapping that hard into it, and that's the pigmentation you're getting. So that's really impressive for me. Now I'm gonna go in with that really fun electric pink. I'm so interested to see what this is gonna look like. Yeah, it's kind of coming off like a neon, and I'm trying to kind of blend that into the blue. Is it gonna blend? Kind of blending. And yeah, it is kind of blending actually, so that's actually good. For now, I'm just doing like a one kind of base coat, and then we'll get into the rest. So now we have Zanmi, which is a kind of powdery pink shade, which I think would be perfect for the inner corners here. So I'm gonna add that here. Alrighty, so I think this should do it for the mattes. We'll go and reinforce that, but it's so pretty. I just love the way that this is looking. Now I'm gonna go in for a second base. So let's get into these beautiful shimmers. I'm really excited. Now I think I wanna try the shifty shades. So yeah, there's four of them from the looks of it. I don't know how I'm gonna feature all of these. I'm gonna do my best though. So I think that I'm gonna first go in with, oh my gosh, this is hard. Okay, I'm gonna go in with Nyack, which is on, like, this is that side, so it's kind of like a pretty silver, and I'm gonna put that in the inner corners. I will come in again with a brush. This one has, ooh, it has a rough texture. It's almost like a glitter. I was not expecting that. Okay, so that's that. I'm gonna go in and like, I'll put the brush there and kind of spread it out. Now next to that, I'm gonna take President Class, because that one looks really shifty, really magical, and I think that would be perfect. Oh, that's beautiful. It's like a pretty little ice cream, right? Like, it's so pretty. Wow, okay, I think that's gonna be it. Let me do the other eye now. This is hard because obviously there's Vivette and there's Magic, and I don't know what to do. I think I'm gonna start with Vivette because, I mean, we are reviewing the Vivette palette, so it would be a shame if I did not use Vivette on my eyes. Now, Vivette looks like this. It's got a blue base, I'm seeing pink, greens, all kinds of stunning shifts here. I'm gonna apply that here and hope that it matches. You can see that. I think it kind of does, because I'm seeing this really pretty minty green come through. Yeah, I can see a very beautiful minty green coming through, so I'm very happy that I used it with the green, even though it's got a blue base. That is so fascinating, isn't it? Now for the inner corners, I could go in with Magic or Belle Marron. I think that I'm gonna go in with Magic. That kind of makes the most sense to me. Now Magic is very much a holographic kind of shade from what I'm seeing, what I'm feeling. It's very pretty. Let's put it here in the inner corner. I just applied it there, and it kind of blends in with that shade. It's got a similar shift, but the formula is different, so that was really interesting. I may go in with Belle Marron, like, to line my eyes, simply because it's kind of like this sparkly brown shade, but I love the way that eye is looking. It's beautiful, absolutely gorgeous, and I've got two shades. So I basically got Belle Marron, which is this shade over here, so it's like a brown, and then I have Histoire. So these are two very pretty brown shades, as you can see over here, and this is basically what I haven't used for the look yet. Hey friends, I'm so excited by the way that my eyes are looking. I'm so happy with the quality by ADEPT. I mean, I'm not surprised, but honestly, I feel they knocked this one out of the park. I'm honestly so happy with this palette, and I love the fact that there's only 12 colors in here. Like, usually their palettes have 15 colors, right? Or yeah, it's just lovely. when smaller palettes come out too, because it's more curated. And I'm just thinking, oh my goodness, this is kind of just 2 looks that I can do with this, but I can see myself doing a lot more because there's so many more color combinations that you can do here. They have given us a beautiful set of wonderful pigmented mattes, and I'm so here for it because just look at this. This is without a white base. I'm only using my Alter Ego base, which is very, very sheer, and you get a slight kind of tint on your eyes, but it's really not a white base. It does not classify as that. And yet this is the color payoff. So I'm in love. I'm honestly in love. I feel like I would totally buy this palette if I was not gifted it. That's honestly how I feel. I love it. I love the shifts over here. It's such a smooth, fantastic formula over there. It's beautiful. And then over here, the shifts here too, just gorgeous. And then of course, I didn't give you the makeup details, so let me quickly do that before I continue with my assessment of the palette. So for my eyeliner, which is over here, you can see that that's actually a really vibrant green. It's a green eyeliner from India, and I paid like 300 rupees for this, and I absolutely love it. It is fantastic. The quality is amazing. It's even better, I think, than some of the multi-chrome pencils that I've seen here in the US. So yeah, and for the price, I could not resist. So yeah, I got that, and then I used another one. So this is Swiss Beauty. If you're in India and you're watching this and you are wondering about Swiss Beauty, I'm here to tell you, go for it. It is fantastic. It works really well. And I can see shifts on my eyes, which I'm really impressed by. So these eyeliners are fantastic. Now I also went in for Sinful Echoes over here for my black eyeliner, which you can see here to do my wings. This is the color Wiccan. It's a really lovely gel eyeliner, and I really love it. For my blusher, I went in with my Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue Bronzer. I received this in an Ipsy box, and I absolutely love this color on me. I did go in with a little bit extra just to kind of make sure the color shows up on my cheeks. Usually I put too little, you know, like blush, and yeah, I don't know why I was thinking of brush, and I was like, no, that's not it. Okay, so usually I put too little blush and the color kind of fades after some time, so this time I did apply a little bit more, and that's why you can see the color coming through. I absolutely love Bare Minerals. I have a code with them. You can go check that out down below if you want to pick anything up from them. Bare Minerals is superb in terms of like product quality and stuff. Absolutely love them. ADEPT, also have a code with them if you want to pick, you know, this collection up. Now for my foundation, I went in with Yensa. I did not really apply a ton of my Yensa because I just felt like I didn't really need to. I mean, you know, I wasn't really feeling it, so I just did that. Now for my brows, I went in with an ADEPT Cosmetics eyebrow kit. It's the same thing that I use. I'm pretty boring that way. I don't really use a ton of products for my brows because I don't feel like I need to. I don't do the brow gel thing. I only go in with a little bit of color to just fill them out a bit, and that's basically that. Now I do have a code with ADEPT as well, which will be down below. Now for my mouth, I went in with the ADEPT Cosmetic lip gloss over here. You can see what it looks like. Now this is the color Nude Beige. So I'm just gonna take a little bit more and put this here. It's a really nice, pretty color, and it's actually really hydrating. You can see this. So this is a lovely color because I think that it's very, so I like the formula of this. I can kind of see like a slight shift happening here. Well, the lip gloss turns kind of gold. So I'm kind of thinking that I'd like to see if I can capture a shift for this one. And the next one is Starry Lilac, which we're going to try that one as well. And I'm going to see how that looks. But honestly, I'm so happy with the way that this worked. The formulas have been fantastic. And I guess the only thing that I want to say is that Nyack, which is this silver shade here, like all the, yeah, that one over there, that silver color. So that one kind of has a little bit of a glitter-like kind of feel when I was putting it on my eye. It was a little bit rough, so I would be very gentle as you put that on the eye, but it still shows up beautifully. You can see how sparkly that is. It's gorgeous. Everything else was a smooth shimmer kind of consistency on the fingers, very easy, very gentle on the eyes, and you know, I have nothing but good things to say about the mattes. They are fantastic. So yes, this is a win. I love it. And I forgot to mention the packaging, and you know, this is actually different packaging. So they've been doing this lace thing, right, like quite often. But I really like this because it's slightly different. This has glitter, like it's got that glittery thing that the Amy Loves collection had, so it's like that. Plus it's got the lace. And then it's also got sparkly sequins, which I don't remember seeing. Yeah, that's not on my Duality palette. They did not have those sparkly sequins. So I actually think this is different. It's like a beautiful blend of all those 3 different types of palettes, and I really love that. So yeah, I know a few people were saying that in the comments, that, you know, the packaging looks so similar, but I honestly don't mind. I love this. I think it's beautiful. Fantastic palette. Love it. So I'm really happy with this, and I don't have anything else to add, but I do want to finish up showing you what the lip glosses look like. So let's just do that, and then we're going to say bye. Alright, so you just saw what my mouth looked like wearing the first shade, which is Nude Beige. Really beautiful color, and I'm very happy with the formula, moisture, and everything. But now I want to go in with Starry Lilac, which kind of looks like it's got a cool tone thing going on. Yeah. Oh gosh. Now that is really, really nice. Alrighty, so that is basically all I have for you. We have looked at both of these beautiful lip glosses. I really do love Starry Lilac. I was surprised that Starry Lilac showed up so much more for me, and it's a beautiful color. I really love it. I really appreciate it, and I absolutely love the other one as well, because I feel like it's so subtle. If you don't want something that's, you know, obvious like this, and this is not even that obvious, but if you want something even more subtle, something that doesn't draw too much attention but makes your lips look glossy and full, then you can go for the other one, because Nude Beige is also really, really lovely. So this is all I have to say about the beautiful and fantastic Vivette collection. I'm really, really happy with it. I think that any eyeshadow lover is going to be very happy with the formula. So yeah, thank you for joining me for this review. I will see you soon for another one very soon, and I hope that you have a wonderful weekend. Bye-bye.